Make vegetable spring rolls. Vegetable spring rolls make a delicious appetizer or snack. They are easy to make, and go great with any Asian dishes. You can even eat them as lunch with a side of rice. Here's how to make vegetable spring rolls. Ingredients and supplies: 8 ounces carrots, 1 red bell pepper, approximate 3 tablespoons sunflower oil, 3/4 cup bean sprouts, 1 lime, 1 red chili, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, 8 sheets filo pastry dough, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, chili dipping sauce, 4 serving sharp knife, small, condiment-sized, bowl, large wok or skillet, small saucepan or microwave-safe dish, pastry brush, spoon. Prepare the ingredients. Juice the lime into a small bowl. Then finely grate the zest. Seed and very finely chop the red chili. Seed the bell pepper and cut it into thin slices. Then finely chop the cilantro. Cut the carrots into short, thin sticks. Fry the vegetable filling. Preheat your skillet or wok, and then add the sunflower oil. Add the carrot, bell pepper, and bean sprouts, and cook until they are softened. This should take about 2 minutes. Now add the lime zest and juice, as well as the red chili. Stir the soy sauce into the mixture, and cook for 2 minutes to allow time for the juices to thicken. Finally, add the cilantro to the pan, and mix well. Prepare the shell. Lay out each sheet of filo pastry on your counter or a cutting board. Melt the butter and sesame oil in your microwave or on the stovetop, and brush one side of each sheet with this mixture. Fill the spring rolls. Spoon a little of the vegetable filling onto the top of each sheet. Then fold over each long side and roll tightly. Cook the spring rolls. Add a little more oil to the wok. Then cook the spring rolls in batches until they turn crisp and golden. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes per batch, turning once halfway through to ensure that both sides cook evenly. If you wish to cut down on the amount of oil used to make spring rolls, you can also bake them in the oven. Enjoy! Transfer the spring rolls to a serving platter and serve with chili dipping sauce or soy sauce. For less oily spring rolls, pat dry with a paper towel before serving. These vegetable spring rolls are sure to please. There are many variations on vegetable spring rolls, including recipes with minced garlic, ginger root, white or green cabbage, or onions. You can vary the amounts or types of vegetables in the spring rolls to suit your tastes.